If Microsoft Edge feels sluggish or slow to respond, you don't need a new computer. You need this Delft Stack tutorial. Most lag is caused by hidden background processes or outdated cache files. Click the three dots in the corner, go to Settings and select Privacy. Search and Services. Scroll to Clear Browsing Data and hit Choose what to clear. Select All Time and check only cached images and files. This forces Edge to stop looting old heavy data. Next, we will optimize how Edge uses your hardware. Go to Settings, then System and Performance. Find the toggle for use, Hardware Acceleration when available. If it's on, try turning it off. On many systems, this feature causes more stuttering than it prevents. Also, ensure Startup Boost is enabled to help the browser launch instantly without a laggy warm-up period. Now let's check your extensions. Type Edge vertical dots double slashes extensions in your address bar. Every active extension is like a small program running in the background. Disable everything you don't use daily. You will likely notice an immediate improvement in scrolling and typing speed. If the lag resists, check for a hidden update. Go to Settings, then About Microsoft Edge. The browser will force an update check. Microsoft frequently releases under the whole performance batches that fix non-lagging issues. As a final tip, if Edge is still dragging, try the Repair tool. Close Edge, go to your Windows settings, then Apps, find Microsoft Edge and click Modify. Select Repair to refresh the system files without losing your data. Give your browser a quick restart and you should be back to a lightning-fast experience. No more lag, just smooth browsing. If this video helped with you, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.